Hey folks,
Hi.
and welcome back to the mountain. I'm Tony.
I'm Joanne.
We're from Gagnon's Mountain Homestead. It's been almost 3 weeks since our last video, like 2 or 3 days shy of 3 weeks. Been kind of busy, but as you can see, our little chickies got huge.
Big.
So they shouldn't have been in the brooder so long. We were going to put them outside in the tractors last week. However, the weather has not been cooperating. The past like 3 days it's been in the 40s and raining, and we didn't want them to be outside in that type of weather, did we?
No.
Because it's cold and wet. But the weather is finally clearing. It's 60 degrees today. It's supposed to be in the 70s and up to the 80s this week coming up. So outside they go into the tractors, and we're going to set up the tractors now and show you how we does that.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. So last year, we stuck our tractors over here in the bushes. Now we're going to pull them out. In case you hadn't seen last year building these tractors, these are our chicken tractors. It's a pretty simple design, 2x4s and a 5x8 square. We have 2 cattle panels on each one, folded over and put in there with fencing nails, those U-shaped fencing nails. We cut cattle panels here. It's just held on with tie wraps, and these flip open and closed. Joey will demonstrate. They flip open and close, and that's it. And we put the food and water and, of course, the chickens inside. And we're about to cover 3/4 of these with tarps, and we'll show you that now. We're just going to put a tarp over the tractor. Does that reach all the way? Nope, goes the other way. Over here. That reaches. And that's like the perfect size, right? Because we don't have to, that's like, we don't have to just leave that, right?
Yeah, they can all cover.
Okay. So now we're going to show you how we attach the tarp. All right, so as you can see over here, see this mud line here? All we do, we get this wood edge here. I got the tarp. I'm just going to put this piece of 1x1 over it like that, and we're just going to screw it in there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drill holes, pilot holes for the screws, because it is just a 1x1, and it'll split. I'm just using drywall screws. Nothing special. Other than me, I'm pretty special. Nothing from the peanut gallery. All right. We don't have to do a bunch of screws. It is nice to have more than one screw gun though. Nothing from the peanut gallery. It's a little on the long side. So we're going to make sure we cut this nice and even into the proper length. Okay, that'll work. All right, folks, I need my helper to help me, so we're gonna set the camera down and film it from a distance. Yeah, we're gonna pull the tarp taut. You got it, honey?
Got it.
All right.
Let me get the bungee piece out of there.
Go ahead.
Georgia.
Okay. All right, one down, one to go. We'll show you that one when it's done, right?
Yeah.
So these are our chicken waterers. They're simply 5-gallon buckets that I've drilled holes in. You can't really see it. I'll have to get down here and show you. You're sideways. I've drilled 4 holes in them all the way around. They're filled up with water. We put the lids on. Then we take these pans here and put them in the tractors, as my lovely assistant will now demonstrate. Lovely assistant. She opens the front of the tractor, which we explained before. We put the watering pan in the tractor. She gets a bucket, which is already filled with water and has the holes drilled in it I showed you. I have a lid on it, and then we just dump it upside down into the pan, and the water miraculously comes out those holes and fills the pan. And then the little chickies can take their little beaks and go tick, 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 and drink the water out of the pan. Right?
Right.
Now we'll do the other one. So now my lovely assistant Joey is going to show you how we feed. So we have these same buckets. I think they're 1 3/4 holes I drilled in them. And I drilled a bunch of them all the way around, as you can see. And we set them in these metal pans, cheapy pans, that's all they are. And then we take some chicken feed and we just dump some in the bucket. Would you like me to dump it?
I just can't get a good grip on it.
Here, why don't you take the camera and I'll dump it. It's a 50-pound bag, they're not light. They're 50 pounds. We just dump it in. And you'll see, it cleans out them holes and fills the pan, and the chickies can eat. And we take said pan, we set it in the tractor like so, push it in a little bit, lower the door down, latch it in a little bit, and there we go. We'll do the other one. Pan, bucket, and fill the bucket full of feed. That's enough. We got a little left over, but that's okay. These birds eat a lot. I mean, they like to eat. That goes in there. Push in a little ways. Close down the door. So, now inside the tractor, there's food and there's water. The only thing missing is chickies. So, we'll get them next.
Hey, what are you doing?
All right, so as you can see, we have all these chickies in here, and we got to get them out to the tractors. So there's 49 birds in here, and we're going to start bringing them out now. You got to count.
What?
Alright, what do I do with the other cans? This one first? Just dump them in.
You stay.
It will not take them long at all to find the food and water. And there we go, 10. We got 15 more to go in here, and then 25 over there.
Hey! Come on! Come on!
Your wings are pretty long. Your wings are long, widespread. My gosh, girls, I'm not honest now. You are big.
10 more birdies! 10 more Sunday dinners. Go on, Sunday dinners. Go on. Here you go. They're looking good, huh?
Yep.
We're gonna put 5 more in here and then 24 in there because we actually have 49, not 50. 52 came, 1 arrived dead as you saw. We've lost 2 since. So we're gonna have 49. Mandy is quite interested.
This is a chicken hawk.
So let's go get the remainder. So here's the first batch. They found the food. They're all in there eating, doing their thing. Here's the other tractor. They'll find the food shortly. They all just got put in there, so they're still a little discombobulated. But we're gonna have, as of right now, we got 49 Cornish cross meat hens. They'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. They're huge. They're like the size of Cornish game hen right now. And as you can see, these found the food. They're eating. They're all happy. They got food, they got water. They can peck at the ground, eat grass. They can fertilize our lawn for us. Oh, someone's about to find the food. Say, what's this? That looks like food. Could it be? Could that be my food? Well, they are chickens. They're not the brightest.
No.
Mandy thinks they're quite tasty, don't you, girl? So they will find the food eventually. So there we go. We got about 4.5 weeks till processing. And these will all be going to freezer camp. So the other thing on our tractors is we have this rope attached to the front. And what we do with that is every day we slide the tractor up the length of the tractor. So they're on fresh grass every day. Helps to fertilize it, gives them bugs, and they're not in their own poop all the time. So, oh yeah, here's the other one. So they found theirs. And are they finding the food yet? One of them has. So he'll tell the rest.
Once one goes.
Once one eats up, there
there's
goes another
2.
one. Just doubled the amount of the food. Oh, see, there they go.
3, 4.
4, yeah, once one of them finds its food, they just tell, hey everybody, lunchtime. And they eat.
5. Right inside it.
Oh yeah.
I knew they were going to jump in the bucket.
They jump in and they poop in it. They still eat.
It's disgusting.
We have to clean it, but that's okay. So here we go. Here's the chickies. They're all outside and enjoying their new life for the next 4.5 weeks till they go to freezer camp. So there it is, yet another video from Gagden's Mountain. Hopefully we have more coming up. I know we say that all the time, but hey,
It's summer, the weather's better. We'll have more videos coming.
we've got a lot more stuff coming up. We got rabbit stuff coming up. We got chicken stuff coming up. You can sort of see, well, there's a barn, but directly behind us is the chicken coop with 23 chickens in it. Those are our egg layers. We got those every day. We got our rabbits. We got our goats. The sawmill, a lot going on. But that's going to be it from today. I'll let you close it out, Henny.
If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when we put up a new video. And give us some comments. Constructive criticism is helpful and welcome. And as always from the mountain, folks, God bless.